My name is Peggy Brady, and I have known Wilson Wages for over 32 years. I have been a client of his for 30 years. Wilson is not a man that just thinks of you as a client. He thinks of you as a person, and when you come in to him for help, you feel like that the burden that you have on your shoulders is now lifted on Wilson. And he will tell you what is going to happen, what to expect, and when you walk out of there, you feel like the burden is on his shoulders and you almost feel free. I trust Wilson so much in my personal life and also in my business that I do whatever he says, and he has never told me wrong, and he has been successful in everything that he has done. His staff is really educated. They know a lot about what you're talking about most of the time, and they try to help you any way they can. They're #1, and they're kind and they're considerate. Wilson is not a person that when you meet him on the street, he doesn't know who you are. He says hello. He may ask about your family. He may ask about your situation, but you know he cares. And this is the type of person that I would want to represent me.